First, attach the elastic strap to the mounting point. Thread it through the 2 holes. Then, align the reflective side with the soft touch side and press them together. The length of the strap can be adjusted. If it's too long, you can shorten it. Just thread it back through. If it's too short, you can extend it a bit. Once adjusted, stick the pieces together. Now, the small storage box is assembled. Next, align the edge of this part with the other slot and snap them together. After that, flip it over to the back. You'll find screws on the back to secure it, preventing it from falling out when you carry it. Tighten a total of 8 screws to hold everything in place. Once the screws are tightened, it will be nice and secure. Then, place the 2 small storage boxes on top. Finally, once everything is installed, just place it in the car.